Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Are you a skinny beginner looking to transform your upper body strength? Push-ups are a foundational exercise that can significantly enhance your muscle tone and overall fitness level. In this video, we'll guide you through a quick push-up transformation routine tailored specifically for beginners like you. Introduction to push-ups. Push-ups are a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They are perfect for building strength and endurance, making them an essential part of any workout regimen, especially for those starting their fitness journey. Step-by-step guide. Proper form. Start by assuming a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Downward phase. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Upward phase. Push through your palms to lift your body back to the starting position, maintaining a strong core throughout the movement. Repetition. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions in each set, focusing on controlled movements rather than speed. Progression tips. Modified push-ups. If standard push-ups are too challenging initially, begin with modified push-ups on your knees until you build enough strength to perform full push-ups. Consistency. Consistency is key to seeing results. Incorporate push-ups into your routine at least 3 times a week to build strength progressively. Benefits of push-ups. Muscle development. Push-ups help in sculpting your chest, shoulders, and arms, promoting a lean and toned physique. Core stability. They engage your core muscles, enhancing overall stability and posture. Convenience. Push-ups require no equipment and can be done anywhere, making them an excellent choice for home workouts. Conclusion. Transforming your physique with push-ups is not only achievable, but also rewarding. By integrating this simple yet effective exercise into your routine and maintaining consistency, you'll notice significant improvements in your strength and muscle definition over time. Keep up the great work on your fitness journey. Remember, every push-up brings you closer to your goals. For more tips and inspiring content on health and fitness, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and fuels our passion to bring you more valuable content. Let's achieve those fitness goals together.